what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video on the channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a cute little wig install for y'all. This hair, I got it from Curlymehair. I love it. It is a 5x5 closure lace wig. It's in 18 inches. I've been feeling the short hair. I'm not like feeling all the hair down your back. The packaging is so cute. Inside it comes with the wig, obviously, and then you get 2 wig caps. It came with this beautiful elastic band that I needed, thank you. And then like the packaging inserts and stuff like that, and some lashes. So again, thank you Curlymehair for all the cute little add-ons. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into the bleaching process. So the bleach that I use BW2, and then I use 20 volume developer. I got these from Sally Beauty Supply. Yeah, so when it comes to bleaching, because this is a closure wig, you don't really need too much bleach. So what I do is I use 1 scoop of bleach, and then you want to slowly pour in your developer. The consistency that you want for this bleach is to be like a cross between toothpaste and cake frosting. Now, you don't want it to be too runny because that will leak through your wig and you'll end up dyeing your whole wig, and your wig gonna be dyed, fried, and laid to the side, and don't nobody want that. But you don't want it too thick that it won't penetrate the knots on your wig. Luckily, the knots on this wig were really small. I loved it. The lace is so soft. It's a Swiss HD lace, and yeah, so I mix and I add until I get the consistency that I like, and then once I get the consistency that I like, I start applying the bleach to the frontal. Now what I like to do is I'll take my Got To Be freeze spray and I'll spray the hair and then push the hair back so none of the flyaways get into the bleach. It just helps protect the hair. So I like doing that. And then you go ahead and apply your bleach to your lace. You spread it all around. So yeah, once you finish doing that, you let it sit. I let mine sit for, I think, 30 minutes in total. But what I did was I did it in 10-minute increments, because you always want to check the knots. You want to check and make sure that you're not over bleaching your knots. If you over bleach your knots, yes, you can fix it, but baby, it's a process, and don't nobody want to do that. So just keep checking your wig periodically. And I was happy with the 30 minutes, and once I was done with that, I started washing out the bleach. First, what I did, I washed out all of the bleach, got that lace good and clean, and then we're gonna start shampooing. So I used 2 shampoos. I used the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. This will tone the knots so that the knots aren't like so orangey, because that's just not cute. You don't want over orange knots. So I use that, and then I will follow up with washing the hair. I used this Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. I use that to wash the hair, the length of the hair, not the lace. Then once I was done washing that out, I let the wig sit in conditioner for about 15 minutes just to bring that moisture back in, because you're putting bleach on the hair. So you're stripping the hair. You're putting shampoo on the hair. Shampoo strips the hair. So you want to put back some of that moisture in. You have to treat your wig like it's your own hair, because you paid for it. Now, I don't like blow drying my wig because I'm already going to put heat on it when I curl it and use my hot comb. So what I did was I left my wig overnight to air dry, and I'll see y'all back in the morning. Look at my bald head ass. Shout out to my mama for giving me these bust down braids so that my braids are intact under my wig, so my wig can be flat, flat, flat. So what I do is I take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I use that to tint my lace. You can use lace tint spray, you can use concealer, you can use whatever you want, but basically you want your lace to be similar to the color of your scalp. You don't want no white lace. That's just not gonna look cute on your head. Let's be honest here. So once I did that, I slipped that bad baby on my head. Now what I will say is that I had a big ass head, and some of these wigs be a little bit small, but baby, you gotta work with what you got. So and that's one thing that I was very frustrated at myself with when it came to this install, because bitch, I should have pulled that wig down a little bit more on my forehead. I got a 5 head, so gotta cover it up. But yeah, so I did that, and then I proceeded to start with my adhesive. Now you can use lace glue, but with closure wigs, I typically don't like to glue down my closure wigs. It's just easier, it's more convenient. So I use this Evan lace spray. It is, how should I say? It is maximum hold water resistant, but you can put some water on it and your lace will lift. So like it holds it down, it protects, it won't lift from sweat. But if you wear your wig in a pool, or bitch, you go on vacation, expect your wig to lift. That's just the reality of it. Now, so I do that. I did about 3 layers of the Evan Lace spray. In between each layer, you use your blow dryer to get it as tacky as possible. You don't want it, the first 2 layers, I got them completely dry. The last layer, you leave it a little bit tacky because your wig needs something to stick to, right? Then once you got your adhesive all good, you pull the lace down over that adhesive, and then you take your rat tooth comb and you push that lace into that adhesive. This is the start process of how you get your melt, baby. Now I'm gonna take this wig band that Curlymehair gave me, and I'm going to tie down my lace so it melts. And in the process of doing that, I'm gonna do a little bit of customizations, trying to get my part lined up in the middle of my head, and then we'll take it from there. So not gonna lie, I typically let my band sit on my head for about 10 to 15 minutes. But baby, I was hungry, so that band was on there for about 30 minutes while I cooked some food and ate some food. But now we're back. Take my scissors and I'm gonna cut off this lace. All the lace needs to go. If the lace ain't got hair on it, cut it off. Some people be leaving lace that is unnecessary. Cut it off. second. You see the melt. Lace wear. And this is just the beginning. So then I'm gonna proceed to pull out my baby's hairs and top comb my hair back. And then I put back on my band. Now this is me just doing some quick touch-ups with plucking. I did pluck this wig off camera, but I also like to go back in and pluck the wig once it's on my head, because that's really how you determine how you want your hairline to be. So once that's done, I let the elastic band sit on for another like 10 minutes, take that off, and then cut my baby hairs. What I've been recently doing, which I love, and all of the girlies that do wigs, shout out to you, because I got this idea off of YouTube. I curl my baby hairs. I got this cute little small flat iron. I think I got it from Walmart. I curl my baby hairs down just because it's easier to swoop them in the direction where you want them to go. Now, baby hairs is a struggle. I still struggle with my baby hairs, and I wasn't completely happy with them, but it'll do. So once I do that, then we're basically done. You just start the customization, and yeah. Lace wear, curls popping. Love the length of this wig. It makes me feel real cute. Again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other videos y'all would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I love you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye.